Hey guys, it's Kaylin. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me on this look right here. And I'm wearing my Jesus shirt because I'm actually going to worship night with my best friend. So I'm wearing my Jesus shirt, the rock on which I stand. Yeah, I really like this shirt. My sister got it for me for Christmas and I'm kind of like low-key obsessed with it. I have a couple like filming issues near the end of the video of it like cutting in and out. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Hello there, welcome back. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing for this look yet. I've already done my eyebrows and I've primed my eyelids, so I guess we're just gonna jump right into it. I don't want to use these ColourPop shades because I'm really trying to pan them. This is the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights Super Shock Shadow in Kathleen Lights. And then this is the Kathleen Lights ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Glow. And then we're also going to be using this BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes to Go or like something like that. I don't know who else does this, but I have like a makeup towel so that I can like clean my brushes off between shadows. I know, super professional. We're going to start off with this brown shade in the BH Cosmetics palette. We're just going to run that through the crease. And I want to be light with this because I've noticed from using it in the past that it can be very pigmented, which is awesome, but I don't want this to be quite so pigmented yet. I guess I'm going to do kind of like a halo, like a smoky halo eye. So I'm going to go on like the inner third and take it on that outer third again. Hey, I like that. Then I'm going to take this fluffy brush. I honestly can't even remember where this one's from. I think it's like Profusion or something. I'm just going to like scratch the edge, if that makes sense, so that it blends the edges out but doesn't take away all that pigmentation. So I'm going to take this pencil brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm just dipping into the black shade. I'm going to put that on the outer third in like almost a V shape, and I'm just going to lightly put a little bit on that inner corner. And I'm going to take that black and run it across that lower lash line. And I'm dragging it down pretty far because I want a smoky lash line. Then putting just like a teeny bit. It's like the lightest pressure. And then I'm going to take that same Profusion blending brush and again just blur those edges. This one you can actually blend a little more harshly than you would the brown, just because it's a harsher color and we really want to make sure it's not, we want to make sure it's blended basically. It's so weird doing one eye at a time. I never do just one eye at a time, but I'm giving it a go today. I am giving it a go. Now we're going to go in with the Showstopper, the Kathleen Lights shade. I used to love this quad. I'll like throw a picture up or something, but it was just the prettiest shades. It was the first ColourPop thing I ever got. I'm just applying this with my finger because that's just how it applies best. It comes off the most pigmented when you apply it with your finger, and I'm just popping that in the center of my lid. I'm going to take a little bit and just, and then take your Profusion brush again, blur the edges. Oh my gosh, I haven't talked to you guys about my tattoo. I got my tattoo in September. It was done by Jennifer Claggett at Truth and Triumph. She has amazing work, like this. She has amazing work. Highly recommend her if you live anywhere near Truth and Triumph Vandalia. The healing process was not that bad. It did not hurt nearly as bad as I was expecting it to. I got some koi fish in the shape of a yin and yang symbol. It was mainly for me and my sister because I've always said that we are opposites that work in harmony. But it's also because I just really like the yin and yang symbol. It means a lot to me. Basically, like to me it represents that like there's always good in people and then there's always like no one's perfect either. I'm going to take the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Fishnet. I'm just gonna run that on my waterline to darken it. And then I'm gonna take this flat liner brush from e.l.f., dip it into that same black shade we used earlier, and I'm just gonna get like really, really close to that lash line. And I'm gonna take a little bit of black, smoke out this upper lash line. Okay, so I think that eye is done. I'm going to shoot off camera and do my other eye, apply mascara, and then do my foundation, and I will be back to show you the face products. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I was actually just finishing up my foundation, and I wasn't going to show this on screen. I was about to use my Lancome Long Time No Shine, but I haven't used this on camera yet. I just got it, and I've been testing it out, and I really like it so far. I'm actually going to bake under my eyes real quick. I think the color is perfect. It's like pale with some slight pink tones in it. I love baking, but it's such a mess. I've used this for a little while, and it really does help your face look so matte, which is great. My only complaint is that when you put a highlight on over it, it doesn't allow your highlight to live its best life. You try to put the highlight on over it, and it basically just like eats up all the highlight and makes it not as blinding and vibrant. But other than that, this is really great. It does help me to not crease all day long. I'm gonna finish powdering my face and I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. I finished powdering my face with that Lancome powder, and now I'm gonna go into bronzer. I'm already like hitting some pretty good pan on this one, but this is the Pacifica Coconut Blush Duo. I freaking love this shade. It's perfect because it's not super dark, and as a pale person, it's very hard to find good bronzers. I'm just gonna take it from like the top of my ear to the corner of my mouth, and then from the like right there, I just drag down. Like, just like feel your jawbone and just follow it. I'm gonna take that on the other side. I'm just gonna bring that back into my shaved head because otherwise it just looks weird. Have any of you guys tried out Pacifica products? I'm really interested in checking out some more products from the brand. So if you've tried the brand, let me know. Is it a good brand? What are their best products? What do you recommend? Please let me know. I also want to try some of their skincare too. I want to try one of their moisturizers. I can't remember which one it is. I really want to try out more of their products because I really like their blush. Under my jawline. Okay, I think I'm good on bronzer. And then I'm just going to use the blush from that same one. I'm going to try to start panning it. I was trying really hard to pan the BH Cosmetics 10 color blush palette, but I'm still trying to pan it. But I'm not seeing any progress on it, and it's kind of annoying me. I've only been able to pan like 1 or 2 shades, even though I've been using one of the blushes in there for like an entire year. I'm switching it up and using this one to see if I can make any progress on this blush. And then I'm just going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette right here. This one is in Dolce de Leche. I'm gonna take this little brush right here by 2C Cosmetics. It's so cute, like look at it, like I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna put it right in the socket of the bone. Take it forward. I'm gonna take the brush, pull it upwards. And this just gives you that like perfectly contoured cheekbone. Wow, that's intense. I'm gonna take that same powder brush and de-intensify that. Too much? Nonsense. No such thing. Now, I'm going to show you guys what happens when you wear this Lancome powder. It like eats up your highlight. So, my camera turned off in the middle of doing my makeup. It completely missed highlight. So if you're wondering what I used for highlight, I used the Carly Bible and BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I used this one right here. And I basically just told you guys how it took me like 20 coats to get it to like this level of shininess, because my powder, the Lancome powder, eats up any sort of shine and it doesn't let shine come through. Then I just hit it with some setting spray used the Lancome Fix It Forgetting setting spray. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna wrap this up because my camera's not been wanting to film. All I did was apply my lip liner, the LA Girl lip liner in Natural Creme, and then the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Pioneer. That's all I really did. So on to the outro because I'm done with this. And that is it for this look. We are finished. We can go worship the Lord with some amazing makeup now. If you like that video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool. And I don't know where I was going with that. Boom. I know I want to use these. I'm fine. Everything's fine. I hate covering my nose. It's such a pain when you have a wonky nose to contour your nose. So I'm gonna put some up here because I crease a lot up there and it's getting all over my